Hello everyone, this vlog is especially for law students because I know the biggest dream as a law student is to appear before the honorable judge. And I have been asked this question so many times from my internees and so many law students that whether they can appear before the judge while they are a student of law. I'm going to explore this question in detail, and at the end of the video you will be able to decide whether you would like to appear before the judge as a law student or not. But before that, I would request you to please like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. As a law student, you get a chance to appear before the honorable court when you are doing your internship in a law firm. And the law firm or your senior assign you small tasks, such as you have to go to the honorable court and inform them that the senior counsel is engaged in another court and he will be here after that. Or you have to go to the court in order to seek an adjournment. Most of the time, you will have to stay in the court and you will have to go to apply for the copies of the order, or maybe you will have to meet the registrar. In all of these situations, you will be spotting yourself inside the court premises. And if you are wearing your black tie with the black suit, that shows that you are a lawyer. Which is why if you are going to the court or meeting registrar or any person which is related to the court, then you will have to wear the red tie, because you cannot impersonate yourself as lawyer if you are not yet a lawyer. And if you are impersonating in front of the honorable judge, then he can send you behind bars for cheating and impersonating. So most of the people who are going to law school and get a chance to appear before the honorable court, I would suggest that you should appear before the honorable court. You should not be worried about the fact that he's going to send you behind bars, but you cannot impersonate yourself as a lawyer. You will have to wear the red tie and you will have to wear the black suit, and you will have to inform the honorable court that I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner or respondent, and I have been instructed by my senior counsel to appear in this court and to assist this honorable court so the proceeding go further. If you are going to the court and impersonating yourself as a lawyer, then the chances are then you will have a very bad future, because in future if you are planning to sit for judiciary exams, then you will have a very bad record on it. In any case, I would suggest that if you would like to go to the court as a law student, then you must interact with everybody and you should tell people that you are a law student and you are not a lawyer yet. Because if you are not a lawyer yet, even though if you have done your degree, you are not allowed to call yourself as a lawyer, because if your provincial bar council has not issued you a license, you are not allowed to appear before any court. So if you go to the court as a law student, then it is your responsibility that you do not impersonate yourself and you inform the honorable court that I am appearing on the instruction of my senior. So if anything goes wrong, he can always come and protect you. While practicing in Pakistan, I have experienced that so many seniors, they are going to give you the gown and black tie and they'll be like, you can appear in the court on my behalf and you can inform the court that I was not there, and the court is not going to get to know that you are not a lawyer because you will be wearing the gown and your tie. I would suggest, if you get such advice or instructions from your senior, you should never appear in the court with that gown or with the black tie. Because if you are being caught, then you are going to face the consequences of that. And trust me, your senior is not going to admit it that he told you to wear that gown or the tie. It is very important to inform all the law students that if you would like to appear before the honorable judge and if you would like to represent your client, then you will have to get the power of attorney signed from that client. If that power of attorney is not signed, you cannot appear and you will not be admitted as counsel for that party. But if you are assisting your senior, then you can write it in that power of attorney and end of the petition that you are assisting XYZ. While practicing in Pakistan, I have also noticed that most of the lawyers, they appear in lower courts and even in high courts, and they argue the case without even submitting the power of attorney. So let's suppose the power of attorney is submitted of Mr. X and he is representing his client. But at the time of argument, another lawyer is going to come without submitting the power of attorney and he is going to argue. And most of the time I have seen that the judges are not even concerned whether he has submitted the power of attorney or not. So I believe this is the misconduct, this is the wrong practice, and you cannot do that. In the end, I would like to tell you that yes, you can appear before the Honorable Court as a law student and you can also plead the case before the Honorable Judge. But the condition is that you will have to seek permission from your senior and you will also have to request your senior to please seek permission from the Honorable Judge. If you get the permission to argue that case, then you will be able to argue that specific case before the Honorable Court, and this is how your dream is going to come true. But you need to realize that you cannot do impersonation. You cannot go to the court wearing black tie and gown while you are going to the law school and impersonating yourself as a lawyer. I wish you good luck for your studies, study hard, and inshallah I'll see you in the court one day. Take very good care of yourself and I'll see you in other vlog.